Welcome to the vibrant world of ethnic cuisine, where every dish tells a story. Today, we're diving into the history and culture behind some of the world's most fascinating foods. Let's start with India, a country whose spices have changed the world. Books like The Art of Indian Cooking by Major Jaffari give us insights into traditional dishes that have been passed down through generations. Moving east, Japan's meticulous culinary art form is both intriguing and inspiring. The Essentials of Japanese Cooking by Hiroko Sugita allows us to explore the precision and elegance of Japanese dishes. Now let's take a trip to North Africa. Morocco's rich culinary heritage is captured in the Moroccan kitchen by Gilly Bon, where the aromas of cumin and coriander fill the air. Next, we head to Korea, where food is a vibrant part of everyday life. Judy Ju's The Korean Kitchen introduces us to the dynamic flavors and beloved dishes like kimchi and bibimbap. Our journey wouldn't be complete without visiting Thailand. The Thai Table by David Thompson offers a glimpse into the complex flavor profiles that Thai cuisine is famous for around the globe. To truly understand the impact of these cuisines, podcasts like the Ethnic Eats podcast and the Global Plate podcast feature interviews with chefs who bring these dishes to life in their kitchens. With the help of AI tools like Cuisine Explorer and websites like ethnicities.com, anyone can bring the taste of the world into their own home, learning new techniques and flavors. Join us as we continue to explore the delicious diversity of ethnic cuisines.